Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal the Pearl Beauty. So this look is how you can step up your day look and bring it out in the night, because quarantine is going to be over and you don't want to come out of quarantine not knowing how to do your makeup. That would be a shame. But I'm here for you guys. I am here for all my girls that want to step it up after quarantine, that after lockdown, they want to come out looking hot, they want to come out looking good. I'm here for you. So go check out the video, leave me a comment down below, and I'll get back to you. And get you guys a little closer. Come a little closer to me. Do you see my skin is glowing? Oh, I'll give you my secrets, but later. Prime my face. Oh. So we're gonna break this down again, because a lot of you are wanting to learn makeup. So I'm gonna keep breaking it down. Angel Veil Primer. You know what? Before I like to do my makeup without jewelry. It's better. It's way better. Oh girl, you're looking like you like what you see. Would you come over and check up on it? Check up on it, ladies. While you check up on it, check on me tonight. Now for foundation. So I haven't been outside in 4 weeks. So I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix NW. The MAC Studio Fix NW45. So I'm going to use a ColourPop concealer. Now remember, I'm teaching you guys how to take the same day look and bring it in at night. Gonna take my beauty blender. So I took a brush, but now I'm gonna take my beauty blender. It's damp because I wet it, that's why it blows up like this, and I just go over like this. Smooth it out. Now I'm going in with my Fenty. This color is honey. Oh damn. This color is honey, and it's been working out for me. It's been working out for me really well. So I'm gonna apply it using my brush. I'm just gonna place the color under the eye. Powder. I'm going in with the Studio Fix NW. This is NW45. NW45. Why do I feel like I'm bent out of shape? You know, let me go back up a little more. Okay. So, like I told you before, I like my face to look sculpted. So now I'm going to do my nose, and I take a small brush and I dip it in the same powder, and I sculpt this nose. Okay, so this is it. Now we're gonna do this from here. From here, it's normal, like this is daytime. Now I'm gonna show you how we crank it up to night. Now you're taking a darker shade powder. Now this is my NW48, a darker shade powder. Now, I use the same brush that I did for my nose contour. And I'm taking this. And I'm gonna place this right here. See that? Do you see the difference? It's darker. Yeah. It is. It's so darker. I'm using powder to create this. Oh, look at the shadow already. It's already formed the shadow. And now I just take a clean brush and I blend it out. I'm gonna go into the eyes of the soul. So for my eyes, I'm going to use a ColourPop concealer in the shade Dark 48. Okay, so I already put on my concealer, but I forgot that I showed you guys how to do your brows first. So I'm gonna do my brows real quick. And there you have it. Some powder. And you set your brow, and you set your concealer in place. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna take a nude. That is the color Unity. Let me fold it back, Unity. And I'm gonna place it here under the brow bone. So I'm gonna go into my mirror because I need to see this. So tap off the excess and I go in on my brow bone with Unity. See that? Tap off the excess and I go in on my brow bone with Unity. We're using the same color. Taking another clean brush. Guys, you have to take this slowly and follow step by step. Taking a clean brush, you blend it out more. Transition color. Step 2, a deeper shade. Right? So basically you know this step, and then I would put liners and I go. Now I like Juvia's Place palette. Let me get it in here. I want to spice this up. So I am gonna take the orange shade. I'm gonna take the orange shade, tap off the excess, and go right above the dark. And blend. The important thing is the blend, guys. I'm gonna take the yellow, touch it lightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Tap off the excess, and I'm going to take that yellow and I'm going to go on top of the orange here. I'm just using one colorful palette right now. So taking the brown, now I'm going into Eternal by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So now I'm going to take a small brush, a defined brush, and I'm going to go into Parallel. That's a darker brown. See that there on the corner where I started there. And I'm going to take that up inside there. I'm going to take a small brush and blend it out. Okay, that's it for the eyes. Now I'm gonna get down liquid liner. I'm not a fan. time. Bottom lash now. That's really black. I need to do this. I need to do the same on the other side because this is gonna be jacked up. So I'm going to use parallel on the bottom here and smoke it out. Next, I like to go into my orange. And last but not least, the yellow. So now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. Gonna use my Morena Beauty blush. Cut it, cut it, cut it. And I'm going to use highlighter Gold Deposit. Now I'm going to take off the extra powder. So, lips. Okay, so on my lips I'm going to use Please Me. Lining my lips with my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. On my lips, I have Dior Gloss and I have MAC Please Me. These are the two lips, my lip combination. Also, I use a MAC Chestnut pencil. So these are the combinations I use on my lips. And to finish off my look, Skindinavia. So guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next vlog.